Hey there! Ever wondered how you can run an online store without ever touching the products? Welcome to our quick guide on dropshipping. Dropshipping is a business model that allows you to sell products online without holding any inventory. Here's how it works. First, a customer visits your online store and places an order for a product. Next, you forward this order to your supplier. This can be done automatically through various e-commerce platforms. Then, the supplier packages and ships the product directly to your customer. You don't have to handle the product at all. So, what are the benefits of dropshipping? First, it has low startup costs. You don't need to buy inventory up front or manage a warehouse. Second, you can offer a wide range of products since you're not limited by what you can store. And third, it's flexible. You can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. Of course, there are also challenges, like finding reliable suppliers and dealing with thin profit margins. But with careful planning and the right tools, dropshipping can be a fantastic way to start an online business. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on starting and growing your online business. Happy dropshipping!